Gilbert Suarez, you know what I'm saying? Born and raised in Allentown. Been out here 31 years. Still out here, you know what I'm saying? I got 6 brothers, same mother, you know what I'm saying? Shit's rough out here where I came from, you know what I mean? But, I overcame a lot of shit in my life, you know what I'm saying? People that know me, I ain't gotta explain too much, you know what I'm saying? Did a lot of dumb shit. A lot of running the streets, gang banging, doing all this dumb shit, you know what I mean? But, time for changes, man. Sometimes people gotta make changes in life, you know what I'm saying? Especially after you have so many people in your friends, family that them die. You know, then get shot, doing time in jail, you know, never seeing again. Type shit like that. Make a nigga change his mind real quick. I always had the good influences in my life, you know what I'm saying? As my older brothers, and I had a couple older brothers and a couple friends that always positive and nothing about money. Money talk, you know what I'm saying? So I just invested. I got some money and I invested into it. I told my brother I had some money. He said, I got you. We're gonna do something with it. And boom, Lil Miami. It's just the beginning. It's a lot more where this come from. I'm telling you, shit gonna be bigger than Nino Brown. Facts though. As far as the merchandise and stuff like that, my brother just gave me in charge of all that, so I'm not new to it, but I'm gonna figure it out. So I just went to pick up some merchandise, you know. Yo, I'm on the same page, man.
Bro, that's it. I don't
You know what I'm
care.
saying?
I have a feeling. I told my girl I might die early because it's like less sleep. It's like you're working 7 days because you want to retire at a certain age, but damn.
Yeah, I hear you, man. Sacrifices you gotta make though, man. You really do have to make sacrifices that might cost your relationship depending how strong it is, cost friendships depending how long it is, you know what I mean? Or depending how real the people is, you know what I'm saying? Me personally right now, I don't plan on doing nothing besides what I'm doing now. You know what I'm saying? And that's here 24 hours.
Like you wake up early. Bro.
Feel like you never sleep, shit feel like deja vu, you never leave these motherfuckers. And then motherfuckers not even ready for me and shit, you know what I'm saying? They can place an order and pick up my merchandise. Remember my merchandise, man, it's not ready, man, so just head back to the shop, start my day again, regular shit. Get it eventually. Woo! Constant fighting with my girl and shit, man. Over shit. You know, shit I shouldn't be doing. Like entertaining bitches on the book and shit like that, but it's part of networking, you heard? Real shit. What can I say, man? I'm me, man. Shit crazy. I don't talk too much about my relationship though, you feel me?
Mastermind Mondays, man. So, you know what I'm saying, master, controller, you know what I'm saying, and then you have the mind, you know what I'm saying, so you're controlling one's mind. And then of course Monday, everybody hates Monday. So for us, it's more of a jump start to your week, you know what I'm saying, so you can be charged throughout the week. So Mastermind Mondays, came about. Like it's almost like a support system for those who got dreams. You know what I'm saying? To master whatever, you know what I mean, they have a passion for.
You a fucking embroidered jersey. It was a small oversight. That was by accident.
Sure. That shit is intimidating. It's deceiving. Like, I didn't think it was gonna smack me like that. Shit, that's some bad memories.
You want it? Did you want some?
If it ain't infused, it ain't for me, you heard?
Oh, alright, fuck it. So when she drunk that shit and she got that buzz, that shit finished her, and then she like, yo, what the fuck is inside here? You know what I'm saying? So that's why she was tripping like
She get
that.
the she
don't do that
she
shit
get
to
the
me,
giggles.
though.
She get
Don't
the
do that
giggles.
shit
That
to
shit
me,
be
though.
funny as shit though, yo. Like,
Sure.
You get next season's
Oh,
jersey.
hell no.
Wow. Embroidered. You the only one that got that one.
look at that. Yeah. I just got the
Take
thing.
that out. Take that out. Open it up.
Yo, I'm hype as shit.
Quick to talk shit about the jersey, cause he said you're gonna get next season's jersey.
You get next season's
Oh,
jersey.
hell no.
Wow.
She like about the until she seen this shit, then it's like, oh my god.
Oh,
Jersey.
hell no.
Wow. Embroidered. You the only one that got that one.
Look at that. Yeah. I just got the
Take
thing.
that out. Take that out. Open it up.
Yo, I'm hype as shit.
Like that.
So excited. Look at that. And it's stitched on, shorty. Black
I
and
ain't
yellow,
even
black and yellow.
mad. I ain't seen number one.
So I ordered something towards the real tail end of the orders. But you forget to mention, you the only motherfucker that got 3 jerseys out that order.
It don't matter. I'm part. How does somebody that's not even
Listen.
an owner?
You got the special edition.
No, because every owner got one except for me.
Small
Except
oversight,
for me. And then some Jones, Mr. Jones, go
It was
get.
his birthday.
I don't give a damn. I'm an owner.
I made up for it though, alright?
Yeah, he
So
did.
leave it alone.
I was shocked. I was shocked. I was.
2021.
Oh, that was mine
That was
too.
yours too. You know what that number is, right?
It's just Christmas all over again. Yeah, Mostro's birthday.
Yep.
Aww.
Ronaldo, is that Ronaldo?
Oh shit!
Oh shit, Ronaldo. Okay.
So 9 is born, you know what I'm saying? Just like it takes 9 months for a baby to be born. It takes, you know what I'm saying, 9 stages, you know what I'm saying, for anything to manifest itself. So that's why 9 is so important.
Shit.
Oh, they got like for next order. As far as, hey, there you go, Scorpion.
Ew.
No, 11/10.
Ew.
November 10th, 1988. What? Trying to hit? You drunk already?
Nah, chill.
Oh man, out with the old, in with the new. Take this shit off.
Right.
I need to cut ASAP.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
Taurus.
Okay. Twin.